Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss Nishtha 3.0 FLN Course 7th Multilingual Education in Primary Grades all 40 quiz question and answers. Before starting the video, if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell icon so that you will receive all upcoming course answers videos notification. Now let's see all the quiz answers. First question is, which of the following is true? The correct answer is, proficiency in various languages is developed in an interdependent fashion. Next question, multilingualism means? The correct answer is, use of two or more languages by a person. Next question, it shall be the endeavor of every state and of every local authority within the state to provide adequate facilities for instruction in the mother tongue at the primary stage of education to children belonging to linguistic minority groups. Which document is this statement recorded in? The correct answer is the Indian Constitution. Next question, choose the myth related to language teaching. The correct answer is, the earlier children are given textbooks to read in an unfamiliar language, the sooner they will learn that language. Next question, for the success of the foundational literacy and numeracy mission, it is necessary to. The correct answer is, making use of languages that are familiar to children. Next question, which of the following is not a benefit of multilingual education? The correct answer is, learning how to read and write in English from grade 1. Next question, which of the following is not an example of mixed language use? The correct answer is, the teacher speaks in L2 and the children answer in L2. Next question, which of the following statements regarding multilingual education is true? The correct answer is, children's languages are used as scaffolds for learning new unfamiliar languages. Next question, which language is effective for the creation of knowledge? The correct answer is, familiar language. Next question, Census of India 2011 established that. The correct answer is, most people speak more than one language. Next question, in the foundational years of learning, medium of instruction should be children's home language because. The correct answer is, language is the basis of learning and comprehension of all subjects. Next question, what is the objective of introducing the story of the Warli Painter in this course? The correct answer is, to point out one's ability to speak in more than one language as per need. Next question, which of the following statements regarding multilingual education is not true? The correct answer is, inclusion of variety of languages in the classroom negatively impacts students' learning. Next question, what kind of language do we use in our day-to-day life? The correct answer is, mixed language. Next question, who amongst the following children will struggle the most while learning? The correct answer is, Ramesh, who speaks Bhojpuri in his family and community and studies in an English medium school. Next question, Kamla ji wants to teach Hindi to grade 2 students. Which of the following strategies should she use? The correct answer is, use of Hindi language as per the level of comprehension by students. Next question, learning process must gradually move from the familiar to the unfamiliar. This idea can be found in. The correct answer is, NCF 2005. Next question, the researcher scientist Wolf argues. The correct answer is, language is not everything in education, but without language everything is nothing in education. Next question, which of the following statements does not feature in National Education Policy 2020? The correct answer is, if children are taught through their mother tongues, they do not have adequate time in school to learn other languages. Next question, which of the following strategies on L2 teaching are not effective in foundational years? The correct answer is, rote learning of the Varnmala and lessons from the textbook. Next question, according to you guys, how many languages are used as a medium of instruction in Indian schools? The correct answer is 36. Next question, by the term first language L1, one means. The correct answer is, language that the child understands. Next question. In which situations is the link language used? The correct answer is when various linguistic communities live together. Next question. Who has proposed the common underlying proficiency hypothesis of language learning? The correct answer is Jim Cummins. Next question. Language of communication used by Adivasi communities working in the tea plantation of Assam can be called as? The correct answer is link language. Next question. National Education Policy 2020 mentions in terms of multilingualism. The correct answer is as far as possible, the medium of instruction until grade 5 should be a language that is familiar to children. Next question. Which of the following is not a key principle of teaching a second language? The correct answer is using L2 vocabulary for writing from the beginning years. Next question. Creative knowledge can be constructed by traversing the bridge of? The correct answer is familiar language. Next question. Choose the incorrect statement. The correct answer is by learning through the mother tongue, children find it difficult to understand all the subjects. Next question. Which one of the following is the best statement to summarize the learning of this course? The correct answer is in areas where children language cannot be used as medium of instruction right away, it should be used strategically and extensively in the oral domain. Next question. Making use of L1 in teaching. The correct answer is helps in better learning of all the subjects. Next question. What does National Education Policy 2020 say about the use of mother tongues? The correct answer is young children learn the best through their mother tongue. Next question. Kamla lives in the Kota district of Rajasthan and speaks Hadoti at home. She has joined grade 1 after a delay of 4 months. Today is her first day at school. What will you do so that she feels comfortable in the classroom? The correct answer is I will informally chit-chat with her in Hadoti. Next question. Who does not face any learning disadvantages due to language used in school? The correct answer is children who study in English medium schools have ample exposure to English at home. Next question. Why do about 25% of children in elementary school face a severe learning disadvantage in foundational years? The correct answer is language used in school and at home are different. Next question. Studies on the Ethiopian model of language in education show that the correct answer is children studying through their mother tongues perform better in all academic subjects. Next question. The language that is used formally in textbooks, teaching learning materials and teaching practice is called? The correct answer is medium of instruction. Next question. Choose the incorrect sentence. The correct answer is children struggle to learn other languages if they learn through their mother tongue. Next question. According to the Census of India 2011, how many different mother tongues are spoken in India? The correct answer is 1369. Next question. Which of the following is not a key feature of multilingual education? The correct answer is dominance of one language over others in the classroom. Now you can answer any 20 questions correctly, which will be asked from these 40 question set and score 20 marks out of 20. So that's all in today's video. Please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Jai Hind.